So hello and a warm welcome to this little presentation. This presentation will be the first one in a series, and in this series I want to describe the design choices of the robot by joint. So there will be in total 6 videos from joint 1 to joint 6, and I will also make videos of different end effectors when I have the data and the parts printed and know that they will be functional. So let's start with joint 1 and just isolate those parts and the base plate, of course. So the base plate is made out of wood, as I mentioned maybe before. I've made some different videos, so I don't know what I've described yet or not. But the base plate here in yellow and in pink are made out of wood, and they enclose, they provide support for the J1 turret housing and the space for the pulley system underneath the robot that goes to the J1 motor. The J1 motor is held in place via a 3D printed part. This J1 motor mount and cable management has also the cable management for the rest, for the 5 motors that come after J1, of course, so that the electrical management is neatly around the J1 turret housing. In the turret housing we have the tapered roller gear bearings. There are in total 2, and the tapered roller bearings sit on this little ledge in the J1 turret housing. The J1 turret housing is basically a replica of the base design from Chris Annin, but I reinforced it with some steel reinforcements so that it could better hold the strain and the forces that it is under, because of course all the strain from the rest of the robot gets transferred via the tapered roller bearings onto the J1 housing, turret housing, and into the base plate. So around the perimeter I have some through holes, and you can put steel reinforcement in there and glue it in place. I also made an adapter for the turret housing so I could use different limit switches. The limit switch is just placed in here and glued into. Also reinforced is the spindle, the J1 spindle, which you can see here. And the pulley gets screwed into the spindle, and the spindle gets screwed on top of the J1 turret platform. The J1 turret platform in the base design is actually 2 parts, because the turret platform and the J2 motor support or motor mount, well, this part at least is separately and screwed in by the bottom, but I combined them and also designed a little space so that the electrical wiring could be routed through. That's the video and the description of the J1, and then in the next video I will describe the J2, which is a little more different as it describes the arm assembly. Thank you for watching.